What I would suggest is, if you've just had the no from your bank, is not to panic. Basically, we are there and we can support you through that process. What you'll probably find is it might be that the application that you've made doesn't have all the details, and therefore by talking to us we can iron out the details and find out why you've been declined. After that, if we can't get it through your bank, there is lots of different products, there's thousands on the market that we can go to and actually support you through that process. So it's very much not the end of the road, it's just the start of the journey to look at other providers of finance.
The key for me is, if you've been turned down by a bank, ask and understand why the application's been turned down, so we can help you address any issues within the business plan or the financial information that you've provided. Another key area is businesses tend to approach a single bank without understanding different banks have different appetites and different criteria for different types of businesses. Just because your application isn't right for a particular bank doesn't mean it's not right for banks in general. The Access to Finance service can help you approach different lenders and different banks, matching your business proposal to their criteria.
If you're turned down by your bank, there are several options that you have. We can have a look in the market to see whether there's any other funders that are available on similar terms to the bank. We can look at alternative banks for you. We can look at alternative funders, and there is also several other semi-government organisations that have funds available for exactly this purpose. We will help you become investment ready so you look more attractive to the potential funder, and we will support you all the way through to the meeting should it be required. Hopefully the outcome will be excellent and you'll get your funding for your business growth.
Don't feel disheartened, you mustn't do that. You've not been singled out, I think that's what you've got to feel, not singled out at all, either as an individual or your business. Since 2008 the bankers have actually taken less risk because of the losses they made before that period, but there are many other funders out there prepared to assist you with your propositions and take more of a risk than the bankers will.
Well, first of all, I would say there's no need to panic. Just because one bank's turned you down doesn't mean there isn't another bank on the high street who won't value your proposition. Here at the Access to Finance, we take pride in making sure that we align the right kind of lenders with the right kind of businesses. Equally, there are a whole range of other providers on the high street that will be interested in looking at your business and may have a product which better suits your current needs than maybe a high street bank. That could be something like crowdfunding, which is growing at the moment. It could be invoice finance, it could be an asset finance provider. But certainly what we would say is, don't panic, we're here to help and it's something we can support you with.